I've got two Stanley hand planes, like the Bailey versions there, made. And I'm going to take them apart and take the metal parts and put them in our Evapor Rust over here. And then leave the wooden parts out so I can refinish them a little bit later. And see if we can't get these things cleaned up so they can go to the booth. So you have these two. More over here, more. Let's start with the biggest first because they're worth the most. So we take this screw off, and then that first handle comes off after a little bit of pressure there. It was tough. Then loosen the screw here. This little faceplate comes off. Then we have our blade, and there's a piece that's sandwiched against the blade. You can see how it's put together right there. There's a little screw we have to loosen up to separate those. And then we have a couple screws on the bottom, and I'm just going to take this whole assembly off and put it in there. See if we can't clean it up in place. See how well we can do with that. After that, we can reach these screws that are in this back handle and take it off and set it over here next to our other handle. Got our pieces all separated. Might actually have to wash this up at the house, I think, because there's so much garbage on it. And that one definitely needs a little bit of loving. Might behoove us to wash these things too. There's all of our different fasteners. We'll try to keep those together so we don't mix them up with the many other planes here. And get these things in the Evapor Rust, and we'll see how it looks after the Evapor Rust. This is after the 600 grit sandpaper. It's a little shinier. This is the 2000 grit sandpaper. Shine it up a little bit, you can see the difference between the shiny side and the unshiny side.